just decided to share what I'm having with you guys. And some people will still go ahead and click on like and click dislike. May God have mercy upon those type of people. So I'm going. Guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, hello pretty people, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time, hello, thank you so much for stopping by.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started. Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
I love drinking any green plants or fruit on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Fight the bloodstream. Okay guys, it prevents migraine, relax the nerves, reduce blood pressure, and clear up skin problem. Guys, after 3 hours I decided to eat my breakfast. I love having brown flakes this morning. You can get any brand you like. It's around 10 now, so I'm going to be having my breakfast after my green juice, the celery juice. So I'm going to be very full. That is why I told you guys I eat 4 to 3 times a day. So I eat a lot. I don't like starving myself. I'm a type of a woman, I don't starve myself at all. And I'm going to be putting flaxseed, okay, because of the vitamin D, because I'm lack of vitamin D here in Ireland, so this contains vitamin D as well. The country I'm living in is very cold, so I actually using vitamin D. I like any product or any of my foods that I'm going to be having for my breakfast, it has to contain vitamin D, vitamin E, or omega-3. Okay guys, dairy, I'm allergic to any product called dairy. For some reason, I don't know, it give me itchy throat, or my tummy will be bloated. So I normally use soya milk. Today I decided to use almond milk. Okay, nobody is perfect, we all learn every day. This is the way I can show you guys what I'm taking, what I'm eating for my diet, and some people have problem with that, and they will still go ahead and dislike your video. May God Almighty have mercy and forgive them. And almond milk is full of vitamins, omega-3. I'm going to show you all the benefits. We just like to show you a day. You have vitamin E. This is all I used to look for whenever I'm eating my breakfast, because I do a lot of night duty at the minute. I want to have my strength. So it contains vitamin D, it have vitamin E, it have B12, so it's full of minerals, so and so forth. So this will help you to reduce your weight quickly, because it's full of fiber and it's going to be full your stomach, and it's very slow in digest, and you are going to be able to go to toilet regular. It control your bowel movement as well. If you are the type of person that you are struggle to go to toilet, get a bit of brown flakes or brown bread. So hello guys, good afternoon. It's 2:35 here in Ireland, and I've shown you my breakfast, and I've decided to show you my lunch stroke dinner. And I'm going to be having salmon as a lunch stroke dinner. Like I said, love to eat. Then I'll show you maybe tomorrow, if I have time, what I'm going to be having for my lunch and breakfast. And I love sea salt, so I'm going to be using sea salt. And sea salt is very good for our blood. If you're the type of person that you have a blood pressure, so and I will still have the taste of my Africa. And then I love spicy, so I'm going it's so funny, I just love spicy. So I told you guys I'm still going to ahead and still have the taste of African food. You can exclude this, okay? You don't have to put that. And the salmon fish contain a lot of oil. You don't need to put any oil. I love this seasoning. It's for all purpose. I just like it because I'm not going to be using Maggi. So this seasoning is very beautiful. You can try it and let me know what you think, especially if you are cooking jollof rice or just try to put toast. I'm going to just tiny bit to flavor, just for the flavor and the taste. So I'm going to try a little bit. So guys, you will know you can put Maggi, you can add Maggi, you might go without any Maggi as well. So I just want to feel the African taste. I don't like starving myself. I'm not a slave for food. I eat 4 to 5 times sometimes, but a good food. I could be eating fruits, nice like snacks. And I'm going to be putting it in the oven. You have to put your oven to, my oven is already preheat. You can hear the noise, and I just set it to 180 degree. 180 degree is to cook fish, so you don't need to cover the fish. I'm going to turn it this way because I want to keep the taste, the pepper, because if I turn it this way it's going to be so dry. So because I want to feel the juice, so I'm going to be turning it this way, and I want to eat the skin, so I'm going to put it in the oven. Peas have a high level of protein, and they are also good source of dietary fiber. They contain vitamin A, iron, folate, vitamins, vitamin C, and magnesium. They also have a high level of vitamin K. One of the healthy benefits of green peas is blood sugar control. So you can also as well go ahead and check all these benefits online. Just type peas benefits or proteins, and then bring it out this way. Last name plus 2 days. So you can store it, the remaining one, in the fridge. It can only stay there for 3 days, so that's enough for me. I love food, guys. And this also, I'll show you the benefits. It's high in fiber, it contains vitamin C. Let me see. You can see it's high in fiber, protein, and it's full of it contains energy. And I love sweet corn, especially when I'm in Nigeria. Oh my god, I eat a lot of corn in Nigeria. So you can swear I'm actually eating. You can as well transfer it into clean containers. You leave it in the fridge for 2 days, and it has to, you can leave it in the fridge for 3 to 2 days. Okay guys, after that you have to dispose. You have, now it only take 15 minutes guys. So I bake the beans and the corn in the oven. So it only take me 15 minutes. So I'll show you guys my, and this is how it looks. So guys, if you try to make this, please let me know what you guys should think. Is it delicious? Do you like it? The type of food is not heavy at all, and it's full of nutrients like what I say. So this is it guys. Please guys, if you're going to try it, please guys let me know what you think guys. And if you like it, it's very delicious, let me know. And if it does the work this way, you will feel okay, your skin, you feel radiant, your skin will look lovely. And it's full of nutrients, as you can see. It's full of omega-3, vitamin here, vitamin D. Came from hot continents and lack of vitamin D, so you can gain your vitamin D with this type of food or some other food as well. And this is what I'll be eating, different. Remember guys, I share with you the cabbage as well. So maybe one of these days I will make another video. And all this calorie, believe me guys, it's not up to 1000 calorie. A short woman like me is supposed to be eating like 2002 calorie, 2002 calorie per day, but I've reduced all my calorie now. So guys, if this helped you, thumb up. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my video. And guys, please stay blessed, and bye for now.